Hello everyone, welcome back to RKEO's Vlogs. Cleaning the oven is the most difficult part and I have used many cleaners and this cleaner really helped me well. Take a heavy duty cleaner and spray it throughout the oven. Rest it for 10 to 15 minutes and clean it with a microfiber cloth or tissues. See that your skin should not be exposed. Please wear gloves and wear masks since it is having more fumes. You can take the rags, keep it in the bathroom and spray it and wash it with the water. After cleaning everything with the tissue or microfiber cloth, make sure that wash cleanly with the water to keep healthy. So it is the most easiest way to clean the oven, but try to wash it nicely with the water. So this is the heavy duty cleaner which I have used. Please try it and let me know the comments in the comment section. Thank you. Thanks for watching.